Hi, I'm back working on the number of guests debugging it again. So I will start from here, and I saw that the first you gave the comment that random dot randint is not working. So in order to check, I will say I'm putting three comments here. We'll look into it later. But first, how to check whether your randint is working or not. So here I can say print my number is the number, that's it. And just give this here so it is more visible. Save as. It just prints number 16. Each time it will be different, so instead of like running it for more than one time, I will say for I in range, let's say 30. Because random is one between 1 and 20, so I will give a range at least more than 20. So I'll on safe side just giving 30, and everything should be come here in this indentation. So I'm doing this. Hope it doesn't give an error. And F5, it runs 30 times, but you can check that every time it runs, it is not giving any value over 20. The maximum value will give 20, but not over 20. So this means it is between 1, minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 20. Means that all the values are within this range. My randint is working. So I can Control Z, my randint is working. So I can delete this and let's start working. I don't need this. So what I'm doing is that after you generate a number which is in number, and name you what is your input, what is your name, you will ask that plus space here. So there print I'm thinking a number between 1 and 20, and previously you had this like this, so that was a mistake, that was wrong. You can see if I think it will should look like that. Your name is already, the variable name already has a string value in it, so I can use the plus sign. It will work either, or you can also have a comma, which means that the next value, if you have comma, and even if this is something else, you can have it, but right now I will have plus sign. That's okay, plus sign works. You can have comma too. The number of attempts always throw error, so that I removed your previous code here. What I did is while attempt is less than 6, so we have 6 attempts, and I have initially you had number here, so this number and that number were conflicting, so I removed this, made it a guess. So user is taking a guess, take a guess, I'll say, and I'm not giving all the exact sentences, but you can do it. So if my guess, this number which user inputs is less than number, which is the number which randomly generated, then I can say it's too low. Then I will say next. Number is guess is greater than number, then I will say too high. If the guess is equal to number, so you will say excellent. And I have put the break here, but I will let you know why break is here. And actually I can just comment it out right now for, and then after I got out of all the ifs, 3 ifs, which is checking low, high, or the exact number. I'm increasing the number of attempts. So you will go, while it's less than 6, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you will have 6 attempts. And if I save it and run it, you'll see what's your name. I will just say I'm thinking of a number between 120 and can take the guess. I will say 5 here. It's too low. I will say 11. Still too low. I will say 12. Still too low. I have more than 3 guesses, so 6 guesses, so I can do it. Let's say 15. Still too low. 18. Too low. 20. Yes, 20 is too high. Between 20 and 18 is only one. 19. Excellent. Take a guess. So see, it is still continuing. So I can still say 11 and it will still continue until my 1 to loops are increased. And this thing is not working here, so you must see why it's not working. But if I remove the break here, maybe this now I have break means that if this happens, like guess is equal to number, then I will say excellent and I will break away from this while loop. So I will say Control S, save, F5. Again I will say K. The guessing number I will start with 5, too low, 10, too high, so it is between 5 and 10. I will say 7, excellent. So in 3 guesses I got the number and it's told me excellent, and then it braked. So it will not continue asking me again. So you can do this, and you can again try, see why. So this way is, you see, previously you are doing number of attempts, you are not comparing number of attempts, you should compare the guess, and you initially also had the same name as this number, so that might be conflicting, so that's why I changed the name to guess. So hopefully this other video also helps you out. So if you still have any questions, let me know. Thank you.